I rise to speak in support of the Work Health Safety Amendment Bill 2018. The bill will implement 6 of the recommendations from the recent statutory review of the Work Health and Safety Act 2011 and strengthen work health and safety protections for the community of New South Wales. It further complements the harmonised work health and safety laws upon which the New South Wales WHS Act is based. The introduction of harmonised WHS laws in January 2012 was a significant reform to workplace health and safety laws. The harmonised WHS model law provides for the protection of the health and safety of workers, the improvement in safety outcomes in workplaces, the reduction in compliance costs for businesses and improved efficiency for regulatory agencies. The New South Wales Work Health and Safety Act incorporates the WHS model law with some state-specific variations. One such state-specific variation is having 2 regulators for work health and safety in New South Wales, both SafeWork NSW and the Resources Regulator. SafeWork NSW is responsible for regulating work health and safety at all New South Wales workplaces except for mining workplaces. The Resources Regulator is the New South Wales Work Health and Safety Regulator for mines and petroleum sites. SafeWork NSW and the Resources Regulator work together to discuss policy and legislation issues, but they work independently to regulate WH&S safety in New South Wales. With New South Wales consistently being the nation's leading economy, a fact that we on this side of the House are very pleased to remind those opposite, the work undertaken by the regulators to assist in making workplaces safer, healthier and more productive is very important, Mr Deputy President. Their work not only reduces injuries and saves lives, but assists in ensuring that New South Wales workplaces are safer and healthier year on year, so that they are more productive and build on the New South Wales economy. This is achieved in many ways, including providing advice on improving work health and safety, licensing high-risk and potentially dangerous workplaces, registering plant and machinery, and providing testing services for electrical, chemical and mechanical work. Another major function of the regulator, or both regulators rather, is to investigate workplace incidents and enforce work health and safety laws through prosecutions, proactive advisory visits, programs, campaigns and partnerships throughout New South Wales. Mr Deputy Assistant President, the bill before you supports the regulators in their important role of reducing the number of workplace illnesses, injuries and fatalities in several ways, enabling the regulators to record interviews where notice has been given to the interviewee will save significant time and cost for both regulators and businesses. Written records of interviews while they are in progress will no longer be required, saving businesses the red tape and costs associated. Facilitating proof of regulator appointments and delegations through certificates of evidence will mean that regulators will not waste their resources gathering evidence to prove that regulator appointments and delegations are valid when they are challenged by defendants in legal proceedings. The extraterritoriality provision will allow the regulators to obtain documents or information located outside of the state of New South Wales, which can be required during the investigation, rather than having to subpoena the information after court proceedings have commenced, as is currently the case. This amendment will directly help the regulators to reduce injuries and save lives, as it will enable the regulators to thoroughly investigate incidents where records and evidence is located outside of this state. Mr Deputy Assistant President, the bill further aligns the Work Health and Safety Act 2011 with the current business practice of SafeWork New South Wales by removing reference to the use of facsimiles for the issuing and giving of notices. I fully support the Minister in introducing this bill to assist the regulators in their vital role of securing the health, safety and welfare of workers across New South Wales. I commend this bill to the House.